What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing another unboxing video. Today's pair is actually super random. Like, I have no idea the shoes has released yet. It's just like happened that I was like shopping the other day, went to the Nike store, and all of a sudden I saw this pair on the shelf and I was like, holy shit, man. Grabbed the pair, walked straight to the counter and be like, hey, I'm on a size 9.5. The guy's like, oh, this is the last pair and you're gonna get it. I was planning on copying this pair, whether it's for retail or resale. I'm just glad I was able to cop it, especially for retail. And let's see less. The shoes we're gonna be unboxing today is a pair of Jordan 1 low, but it is an OG cut. That means the tag, the shoe tongue, instead of being a Jumpman logo, it's gonna be a Nike Air. So personally, I love the Nike Air shoe tongue logo instead of the Jumpman logo. I don't know why. I think it looks a lot better, and usually the quality when it's an OG cut, it's a lot better than just the regular Jordan 1 low. See right here, the name of the shoes is called Bleached Coral, as you can see right here, and let's just jump straight into the video since like we just don't have that much information about this shoes and this colorway at all. Bam, right here, so you can see. Let me take it out. First thing, smells so nice. You're getting like a good leather smell. As you can see in there, Nike Air. See how amazing this pair is. Actually, man, tumble leather. Like what I said, it's an OG cut. But it does come with the extra laces and the Nike shoe tongue right here. Man, look at this pair. This pair is gorgeous. The Jordan 1 low, especially with the low, hype has like increased so much, and we do have to like recognize or give credits to Travis Scott. I mean, that dude just brings the Jordan 1 low, especially the lows, to another level, to now that everyone wants a pair of Jordan 1 low. Plus the dunks, Jordan 1 low and the dunks kind of look similar from like distance. Lots of people is like starting to cop Jordan 1 low, and that is smart though, because the quality, the leather they use on Jordan 1 low, it's so much nicer than all the other GR release dunks. You can see like right here, you don't get those kind of leather on any kinds of dunks. I'm not saying SVs, but dunks, just in general, dunks. But yeah, looking at this, it's a cracked leather. It's kind of like a cracked leather inside right here. I mean, overall pink. I don't have that many pink shoes. I do have a pair that I haven't worn yet. It's the Bubblegum Jordan 1. I think this pair is actually super nice as well. Official name of this shoes is called the Atmosphere, but everyone's been calling Bubblegum. Right here, MJ loves chewing bubblegum, so everyone's calling this Bubblegum. And right here, guys, holy cow. Both pairs look super nice, but I mean, man, the lows. This pair is a must cup, guys. I'm telling you right now, I don't think it has released in the States yet, but when it does, I think this shoe's gonna be a problem. I would say this is a pair that the resale's not gonna be super high, but the demand's gonna be there. I can see the shoes, the value of this shoes is gonna increase over time. Don't quote my word, but it's gonna be a $200 or up in the future. Looking at this pair just makes you want to keep looking for extra seconds. I mean, the design, the colorway, it's just so nice. It does remind me of the Travis 1 low, the Mocha. So like what I said, the material they use are kind of similar, but Travis Scott is just another level, a little better than this pair. But I'm not shitting on this pair. The quality on this pair is still super nice. But like what I said, it's probably because it's a Jordan 1 low OG cut. So when it comes to OG cut, you get the Nike Air shoe tongue instead of the Jumpman logo, which I don't have any of those on me right now, so I can't really show you guys. The resale for this pair right now, it's only sitting around 160 to 180, which is not that bad. For shoes that has not released yet, it's not a bad resale price, especially for Jordan 1 low OG cut. I feel like this pair is going to be just like the Starfish, it's the Shatter Backboard low. The resale price actually went up after the shoes has released, so I feel like this pair do have the potential to be just like that. Maybe not crazy like that, but lots of people is going to be trying to cop this pair when it does release eventually. So man, don't sleep on this pair, guys. It's super clean. Overall, I don't say this much, but this is a pair you don't want to miss out, especially if it's a Jordan 1 low OG cut. So man, and that's it. This is the video for today, and hopefully enjoy watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and follow my IG as well, and I'll see you all soon. Peace.